Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on flash notification on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone, then scroll down and tap on shortcuts and accessibility. From here, just scroll down and tap on dynamic light. And from here, just enable dynamic light and select notifications. And from here, just enable the toggle for notifications. Now from here, once you enable this toggle, your smartphone will start blinking when you receive a notification on your smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can turn on flash notification on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.